Hello all. So today we will be discussing the dominant seventh chords that are commonly also known as seventh chords. So we'll start from A. So the first chord is A dominant seventh chord, that is A, C sharp, E and G. Same thing, you can play with the right hand also. The next chord is B dominant seventh. Same thing, we can play with the right hand also. You can see the fingers also. For the left hand, I'm using the fifth, the third finger, the second finger, and the first finger. And for the right hand, first, second, third, and fifth finger. Next chord is C dominant seventh. Next, we can play with the right hand also. Next chord is D dominant seventh. Same thing, you can play with the right hand also. Next chord is E dominant seventh. Same thing, you can play with the right hand also. Next chord is F dominant seventh. Same thing, we can play the chord with the right hand also. Next chord is G dominant seventh. Same thing, you can play with the right hand also. Okay, so these are the dominant seventh chords which you can play and use in a song or any music. The notes which are there in the C dominant seventh is C, E, G, B flat. The notes for the D seventh chord is D, F sharp, A and C. The notes for the E dominant seventh is E, G sharp, B and D. The notes for the F dominant seventh is F, A, C and D sharp. Notes for the G seventh chord is G, B, D and F. The notes for B seventh chord is B, D sharp, F sharp and A. So I hope you are knowing the notes also and how to hold the chord also. Make sure your fingers for this dominant seventh chord is first, second, third and fifth. Okay? Thanks for watching the video.